if you want a harsh increment or decrement in volume of certain hertzes of the audio, then you can use Spectral Edit Shelves inside of Audacity. So to do that, I'm going to go around into File, and then I'm going to go to Import right here and select out this audio that I have. So in order to work around with Spectral Edit Shelves, I'm going to go around into the menu right here, and then I'm going to select spectrogram just like this. So I'm just going to expand this, and I'm going to press the space bar. And this is what you can hear. So now in order to apply the spectral effect shelves, I'm going to go around and select out the portion where I want to apply the effect. Once I do that, I can go around over here onto the effect menu, and then what I can do is I can go to Spectral Edit Shelves. Once I do that, you can increase or decrease out the gain level right here. So let me just go around and decrease out the gain level by -9 dB and press OK. So once I do that, you can see that it's much more softer because the audio range for that particular area has been decreased right here. So if I were to play this, this is what you hear. If you want to apply it even further, I'm just going to go around right here and repeat out the effect by pressing Ctrl R on my keyboard, so it is more harsh. Similarly, you can increase out the volume as well. So to do that, I'm going to select out an area, and then I'm going to go around into Effect, and I'm going to go around into Spectral Edit Shelves. I'm just going to increase out the gain level right here and press OK, and you can see it is brighter, meaning the volume is higher. And that is how it sounds like. So that is how you can use the Spectral Edit Shelves inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.